In this video tutorial, you will be learning how to properly use your measuring cup and your digital scale. Watch this video to the end so that you don't miss out on the tips that I gave. Hi, my name is Esther and you're welcome to Good News Catering and Events. So let's get right into the video. You need to get the measuring cup and spoon from the market because that is the only way to accurately measure. So I will be using 1 cup of the measuring cup. Don't make this mistake of using your cup to scoop your flour. You'll get a wrong measurement. So do this instead. Get either a spoon or something else to just measure your flour into your measuring cup, just like I am doing. And when you are done, you get a knife with a flat edge and then you level your flour. That is the right measurement for 1 cup. Do this repeatedly with every of the measuring cup and you are good to go with your baking. If you're new to this channel, you are most welcome to this beautiful and happy family. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get updates when I drop new videos. Now let's move over to using our digital scale. You need a battery if this is the kind of scale you're using, and then go ahead to fix your battery and the light will come up. When the light comes up, it already takes up a measure. You'll see a number on the scale. It's already taking a measure, but that is not what we're using. Then you go ahead, place your bowl, your cup or whatever you'll be using to measure on it, and it will automatically take up the measure it will scale the bowl you have placed. You will press the 3rd button so that you can have your scale on 0. It is only when your scale is on 0 you will get the right measurement. Then go ahead and measure your flour, your sugar or whatever it is you want to measure. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Always note that anytime you want to use your digital scale, it must always be on 0 before you weigh anything. And 1 is 1 gram, 200 is 200 grams. So whatever number you weigh on the scale is what you would have. And if that's what your recipe is calling for, you are good to go. Check out these other videos here and here.